this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful Gryffindor striped scarf and how to attach fringes to your scarf. This is the front of your work and this is the back. If you like this video, please leave a like or comment down below to let me know. You'll need 2 colors of your yarn. I'm using Knucklewood Baby for both colors. They are 100 grams and 250 meters. For the first color, you need 2 balls, and for the second color, just only 1 ball. This color for the 674, this one is 298. And your hook, which I'm using 4.5 millimeter crochet hook and some scissors. For this tutorial, I'm using this color as my first color. Now make a slip knot and chain 31. The first row is your foundation row and it does not count as your first row. So to start the foundation row, insert your hook into the second chain from your hook and make a single crochet, and you can see 2 loops, this first one and this is the second one of the single crochet, and we're gonna make another single crochet in this second loop here. Insert your hook into this second loop and make the second single crochet like so. This counts as your first double crochet. It doesn't make a hole at the beginning of the row when you just chain 3 and make a double crochet. It makes kind of a hole in the beginning of your row. To avoid that, this is the best way. And in the remaining chains, you just make 1 double crochet in each. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, go through 2 and then go through 2. Just make 1 double crochet in each chain until the end of the row, and I will meet you guys at the end of this row. This is the end of our foundation row. Now we start the first row. This is what we do at the end of each row. Just turn your work and into this very first stitch here, insert your hook and make a single crochet as what we did in the beginning of the foundation chain, and another single crochet through this second loop of our single crochet. This is our first double crochet, and just make 1 double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Just insert your hook into the stitch and make your double crochet. At the end of each row, you should have 30 double crochet, including this first 2 single crochet. So continue making this to the end of the row, and I will meet you guys back again. This is the end of row 1, and for the next rows, you just need to repeat row 1. In total, we need 14 rows with our first color, not considering the foundation row. So you just repeat row 1 for 13 more rows, and I will meet you guys back again there to change to our second color. So I just undo my last double crochet, bring the second color and complete the double crochet with my new color. We cut our previous color about this much because we're going to carry it as we go in the next row. Just turn your work, and in the very first stitch we make 1 single crochet as before, and remember to always carry the yarn behind your work, so in the end you don't need to weave in any tails. So make the first single crochet and another one on top of that. Our first double crochet and just one double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Finish this row and I will meet you guys at the end of this row. After you finish this row, just as before with other rows, we turn our work and start making the second row with this second color. You need 2 rows with the second color and we change to our first color again after these 2 rows. I'll meet you guys back again to change to the first color. We cut these tails at the end of our project. Like before, we changed to our first color. We cut this yarn and complete the double crochet with our first color again, and start the next row as before. As you can see here, we need 2 rows with each color. In our sample, we did 2 rows with our second color, then switch to our first color, and we need 2 rows with this color, and at the end of the second row we change to this color again and make 2 rows, and after that we switch to the first color again, and this time we need 14 rows again, and this is what we need to repeat in the whole pattern. I also put a picture on the screen so you can see the pattern more clearly. You just repeat these rows until you reach your desired length for the scarf, and I did about 160 meters. And finally, in your last row, when you were satisfied with the length, you can just chain 1 and cut your yarn. You can add fringes if you like, or you can leave it as it is without these fringes. You need to cut some pieces of yarn, 34 centimeter, which is something in between 13 and 14 inches. You need 32 strands with your main color and 30 strands with your second color. In total, you need 62 strands. To attach the fringe, you bring 2 strands together and just put their ends together like this, and insert your hook into the first stitch that you have here. Bring the fringe, put it on your hook and pull it through a little bit and stop. As you normally chain up, just yarn over and pull through this loop on your hook and just pull it through fully. And this is how we attach the fringe to our scarf. I'll do it one more time. Okay. Pull it through, and as if I'm gonna chain up. This is how I like to attach my fringes to this scarf. You guys, our Gryffindor scarf is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like this video, please leave a like or comment below to let me know. Thank you so much, and I will meet you guys in the next video. Bye.